Today we'll talk about how can you sign out of your account on your mobile office app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. You just go here above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on manage account here. You just click on it. So then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. You go above this sign, click on it. Then you click here on OK here. So then automatically here it's going to take you out of your account on your MobiOffice app. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you are get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So you just follow this ways here, then it's going to work with you. So thank you for your watching.